All the tips and tricks about acid reflux you need. Living with acid reflux disease can literally be a pain. Constantly experiencing heartburn and chest or throat pain after every meal is enough to drive anyone mad. Luckily, the video below has some easy tips that can help prevent the onset of these symptoms. Read through them and learn how you can combat your acid reflux. Exercise is an important habit for those who have GERD, but your timing is key. Wait for 2 hours after eating before you become active, and don't follow your activity with a sports drink as they are acidic and can make your GERD flare up. Instead, drink water or milk to refuel. Try to limit the fatty foods that you eat during the day. These foods can cause more acid to enter your esophagus. This will also expedite weight gain, which can cause acid reflux directly. Eat healthy to stay healthy. Don't drink alcohol if you are trying to treat symptoms of acid reflux. The effects of alcohol actually work to relax the muscles in your esophagus, which worsens reflux. Consider what you are eating, how you are eating, and if you've got too much stress in your life as possible reasons for frequent acid reflux, and change them before reaching for your next drink. Consider giving up smoking if you suffer from acid reflux. Nicotine makes acid reflux worse since it increases stomach acid. Don't stress your system by quitting abruptly, but rather cut down gradually. Slowly slack off. Sometimes people that have acid reflux attacks mistakenly believe they are having a cardiac event. Never ignore serious chest pains. It could be a heart attack. Call your doctor at once to determine the cause. Even if it means an extra trip to urgent care, it is better than risking your life. You are not alone in your fight against acid reflux. In fact, about a third of Americans have acid reflux. Unfortunately, most do not know how to fight off this condition. Don't suffer in silence, instead be sure to use the tips mentioned in the video above. You won't regret it. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.